In previous video, you have learned how to insert and conditionally format the table. You will learn some more techniques in this video. So let's start this video. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Now there is another useful option. For example, if I place it here and adjust column width, now currently you can see here the column width is not equal. I want to distribute this space equally. I will select all these columns where I want to apply similar situation. Now you can see here I have selected 4 columns and I want to divide the space equally between these columns. Firstly, select that columns, right click, and here you will find the option of distribute rows evenly and distribute columns evenly. I am interested to distribute columns evenly. I will select this one. Now you can see here the space is equally divided between these 4 columns. Similarly, you can apply this trick to adjust the row space. Now you will learn how to merge cell. For example, I am interested to merge all these cells. Select this one, right click, and here you will find the option of merge cell. Now you can see here all cells are merged now. Now select this text, and now you will learn how to use alignment option. If I want to place this text in center of this cell, I will use this option. Now you can see here the text is in center. Similarly, if I want to place these numbers in center of cell, I will select all cells and I will choose this center alignment option. Now you can see here the text is in center. You can also place them at the center of the rows as well by using these options. Now you will learn how to change the text direction or numbers direction in table. For example, I want to change the direction of this text only 23. I will select this one. If you are interested to change the direction of whole table, you can select whole. After that, go to text direction option. It is available under the table layout option. Select this one and you can select the text direction according to your choice. Now you will learn how to insert border around table. For example, currently you can see here I have inserted selected border around tables. I will select this one. Now you can see here I have selected this whole table. Before that, you will learn how to use view grid line option. Currently you can see here the many borders are not visible. If I want to change some values, then I can use view grid line options. You can see here the grid lines are visible and I can edit it according to my requirement, and later on I will remove these grid lines. For example, I change this value to 5. Now I have completed my formatting and I will unselect view grid lines and that grid lines will be disappeared. Now again select this one. You can see here the whole table is selected. Go to Home tab and here you will find the option of borders. From here you can select no border option. All borders will be disappeared. Now I want to format it according to my requirement. I want to insert border on upper side and lower side of the tables and one border on this direction. So firstly select the table and from border option I will select bottom border. Then I will select top border. Now I want to insert a line under coded level. I will select cell and from here I will select bottom line. Now you can see here Microsoft Word has inserted a line, and it is not complete line because I have selected only one cell and the line is inserted under that particular cell. Similarly, if I want to insert a border under this whole line, then I will select the whole line and go to border option and select the bottom border. Now you can see here the whole line is inserted under that particular rows. You can also adjust this style of border. For example, if I go to this option, here you will find the option of borders and shading. Use this option, and in border and shading you can select the style. I will select this style, the solid line. You can select dotted line or any other style according to your choice, or double line or triple lines. Now I will choose color. For example, I want to insert a border with red line. Now select the width of these lines. I will select 1 pt, and where you want to apply, I will select the whole table and click on OK. Now you can see here Microsoft Word did not change it according to our requirement. So I will again select this one, and from here I will select all borders. Now you can see here the Microsoft Word has inserted border according to our choice, which we have recently formatted. Apart from this, you can also change the color. You can bold it. If I select this text, you can see here I have selected the numbers of whole columns, and I can bold it, I can italic it. You can change the color by using this option. Similarly, you can highlight it. Now if you want to change the alignment, select this one, go to layout option, and from here you can choose either alignment top left, alignment top center, or alignment top right. Similarly, you can select align center left, align center, and align center right. You can use any of these methods. Now there is a useful option of razor. You can use razor option to remove specific border in a table to create merged cell. For example, if I select razor option and I move it on these two cells where I want to merge these cells, now you can see here the border is removed and these cells are merged now. You can use this border painter option to format the table according to your requirement. Select border and shading. From here you can select border. Either you want to insert a box, or you want to insert the entire border, or only grid lines. For example, if I select this one and I want to apply on table, click on OK. Now you can see here only border around the table is visible. Similarly, if I select this one, again go to border and shading option and I select only grid lines and click on OK. Then you can see here only grid lines are available. You can also split the cells. For example, if I select this cell, right click, and here you will find the option of split cells. From here I want to divide it into 2 columns and 1 rows. Click on OK. Now you can see here the cell is divided into 2 columns instead of 1 column. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.